How to check timeline and payout on Kalshi market page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can see the timeline and payout in your Kalshi page. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to kalshi.com. So, Kalshi is a regulated prediction market platform where users can trade on the outcomes of real world events. So, each market is based on a clear question with defined rules that explains exactly how the outcome will be decided. So, timeline and payout will also be returned there. So, just tap on a market and then you'll need to scroll down and you can see timeline and payout option right there. Tap on it and then you can see when the market opens, when it closes, the projected payout, and you can also read a summary. So this is how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.